Good morning, students. Welcome to our grammar session. Our today's topic is Spot the Error. It is a topic in which you are given a sentence containing errors which you need to rectify. These errors are generally related to subject verb agreement, articles, preposition, etc. To settle the error in the sentence, you need to be aware of some basic grammar skills. In this video, we are providing some common types of errors which can be observed during solving the problems. So let's begin. The very first error which frequently appears in the error spotting question is subject-verb agreement. Let us understand this with the help of example. Reena and Meena is my friends. Here, Reena and Meena are two different persons. So this is an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is Reena and Meena are my friends. So children, as you can see, subjects and verbs must agree with one another in number. Thus, if a subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. If a subject is plural, its verb must also be plural. With singular subject, we use helping verb such as is, has, was. With plural subject, we use helping verb like are, have, were. Let us see few more examples. Jacob and Sophie lives in Delhi. Here the subject is plural, so we don't add s to the verb. The correct sentence is Jacob and Sophie live in Delhi. My brother and I shares a study room. Here, my brother and I are two persons, but the verb we have used is singular. So this is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is my brother and I share a study room. Next rule. When two or more singular subject joined by and but used for the same person, then take a singular verb. For example, bread and jam were all we had. Here we are talking about breakfast. So this is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is bread and jam was all we had. The great poet and writer are dead. This is incorrect sentence because article the is used only once when the nouns refer to the same person or thing. The correct sentence is the great poet and writer is dead. Remember this, if the nouns refer to different person or things, article the is used before each noun. In such case, the verb will be in plural form. For example, the artist and the poet have arrived. Here, article the is used before both the nouns and hence they refer to different people. Therefore, we use plural verb here. Errors with plurals. The children are playing outside. What's the mistake? It's children, not children's. We say child if there is only one and children if there is more than one child. Similarly, we say man if there is only one and men if there is more than one man. Errors in the tenses. He go to school. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is he goes to school. Here he is a third person singular. Sneha do her job. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is Sneha does her job. Mahesh has played cricket. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is Mahesh has played cricket. Here we have to use third form of verb. Always remember has or have plus V3. I have arranged it all. This is incorrect sentence. We have to use third form of verb with have. So the correct sentence is I have arranged it all. I have never think about it. The correct sentence is I have never thought about it. I get a letter yesterday. This is incorrect sentence. Here we are talking about past tense. So the correct sentence is I got a letter yesterday. Modal verbs. He could run fast when he was young. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is he could run fast when he was young. Remember, after any modal verb, you should use the verb's base form. Words considered as singular. In English grammar, the pronouns that you can see on the screen are all singular. They are not plural. For example, everyone knows that the sun rises in the east. The correct sentence is everyone knows that the sun rises in the east. No one loves me. The correct sentence is no one loves me. Errors in adjectives. Meera is taller than Ria. The correct sentence is Meera is taller than Ria. Here, than and then are different words. Than is used for comparison, whereas then indicates time. Articles. Ria studies at an university. Here, the word university begin with a vowel sound. Vowel sound means with a sound of Vyanjan. The correct sentence is Ria studies at a university. Shan is a best singer. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is Shan is the best singer. As you know, we always use the with superlative degree. Errors in the use of preposition. I was born on 1987. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is I was born in 1987. We use in with months and years. If you mention a specific date, then you can use on. You are not listening me. The correct sentence is you are not listening to me. So children, these are few basic grammar rules which you need to be aware of. I hope you understood the concept. Now let's have one small exercise based on this topic. Spot the error and rewrite the correct sentences. Yesterday I go to market. Everybody were looking at me. Suddenly I saw an old man. Rahul and Riya lives in Delhi. You're not listening on me. Everyone know that the sun rises in the east. He have two sisters. Waste material should be recycled. So children, now spot the error. Are you ready? Alright, let's cross check the answers. Yesterday I go to market. Correct sentence is yesterday I went to market. Here we are going to use second form of verb, that is past form of verb, because we are talking about yesterday. Second, everybody were looking at me. As I told you, this word is considered as singular. Everybody was looking at me. Suddenly, I saw an old man. The correct sentence is suddenly I saw an old man. Here the word old begins with a vowel sound. Next one, Rahul and Riya lives in Delhi. The correct sentence is Rahul and Riya live in Delhi. Rahul and Riya are two person, plural, correct? So the verb should be plural. Fifth, you are not listening on me. The correct sentence is you are not listening to me. Next one, everyone know that the sun rises in the east. The correct sentence is everyone knows that the sun rises in the east. Remember, I told you the word everybody, everyone, someone, somebody is considered as singular. So we are going to use singular verb. Seventh one, he have two sisters. The correct sentence is he has two sisters. He is a third person singular. Next one, waste material should be recycled. The correct sentence is waste material should be recycled. ED. Remember the rule, should be plus verb's third form.